Mine just plucked with no head.
What do you think, Randell?
I think this was wonderful.
Do it again?
Absolutely, absolutely. A lot of hard work, but certainly abundance payoff. So,
Yep.
not only in the food and what we learned, but just having the friends and the neighbors come over and everybody chipping in. It was a really good time.
Well, good morning, friends, and welcome back. So, as you can already tell, I am not on my homestead today. I am actually out in Tennessee at my good friend Monica and Randell's house. They are processing their 75 meat birds today, and I am out here to help them out and also get a little experience in for next week's processing on the homestead back in Kentucky. So we are going to be processing 75 of their meat birds today, and then they also have more that they're going to be processing next week with some friends that they went in with on meat birds. Altogether, they have 300 meat birds that they're going to be processing this week and next week. So let's head over to their processing station and see what they've got going on over there.
Dear Lord, thank you so much for everything that you do for us this day and every other day. Thank you for teaching us, having Katie here to teach us and to guide us along so that we do the right thing with these birds that are going to provide us with food in our freezer, provide us with nourishment, and allow us to learn more about taking care of ourselves and not relying so much on others. We're forever grateful, Lord Jesus. Let us not make mistakes. Let us do this right. In your name, amen.
Mine just plucked with no head.
All right, friends, we are done. We got through 75 meat birds in about 3 hours. Did an awesome job. Everybody did really great teamwork, and that's how you get this done really fast, is working together, having a system, and everything goes really well.
Grabbing them up.
Everybody's tired? What do you think, Randell?
I think this was wonderful.
Do it again?
Absolutely, absolutely. A lot of hard work, but certainly abundance payoff.
Yep.
Not only in the food and what we learned, but just having the friends and the neighbors come over and everybody chipping in. It was a really good time.
Yep. Building community.
Indeed.
All right, friends, so we just got done eating an awesome lunch, and now it's time to go and bag up our chickens and get them into some ice water for the night before they are stuck into the freezer tomorrow. So let's head over and start bagging up some chickens. Look at all your babies.
Did it. I'm happy.
What's wrong with your shirt?
Well, friends, it is my last morning here with my good friend Monica. and her husband Randall, and we are gonna just walk around the property real quick. But first things first, look at how happy these chickens are. Walking through their orchard that they put up. What is this one?
This one here is these are 2 peach,
2 peach.
an apple. This is a green apple.
Ooh, look at the apples on there already.
Tons. That's a plum back there.
Plum.
Plum. Oh. There's tons of buds on this one. This is the one because it's closest to the woods, so this is the one that had tons of apples. We were so excited. And then just little by little we're like, what's happening? Where's our apples? And I swear the squirrel took every apple.
Oh.
We thought it was the deer, but it wasn't. It was the squirrels.
Squirrels.
Come running down with one in its mouth and then take off with it. Crazy.
And then your garden.
Soon.
Oh, it's so beautiful. What you got there?
This one's Chimayo chili. These are the red chilies. They're good for red enchilada sauce.
Ooh.
And then I'm gonna give you, which one is this? Oh, do you have a ton of big gems?
I do. I've got
Okay.
lots of big gems.
I wanted to give you that squash I was telling you about. And I'm trying to see, some of them were the Armenian. Okay, the seedless.
Those big cucumbers?
Yes. Oh, here's your berry. So you get the big blackberries. Ooh, this is gonna be a good one.
And you planted those blackberries?
Yeah. You're gonna love these. They make good cobbler.
I'm being sent home with lots of goodies.
Oh,
Alright friends, so here are all of the chickens that we processed yesterday. We counted about 68 of them. All went so smoothly. Everybody who came, it was all their first time doing this and they caught on so quickly. They'll be doing this again next week with 160 more chickens that the neighbors, they all went in together. And fun story, each of them ordered, how many chickens did you guys order?
we ordered 40 and they ordered 50. So we should have gotten 140. Ended up with 300.
Yeah, so, and they didn't have to pay extra for it. They overshipped them, and so they all got extra birds for free. So they're gonna be processing another 160 next week. So this was a trial run to get everybody to know what they're doing, understand it, and it all went great. Everybody learned so much and did such an awesome job. So now we've got all these lovely chickens that we went ahead and bagged up. They're gonna rest here for a little bit longer and then into the freezer they go before next week's big processing day. All right, friends, so I am leaving right now and I've got Monica and Randell. And guys, how did you feel that first processing went on the homestead?
I think it went so good. We're so happy we can fill our freezer with all this fresh, natural chicken. It was fun, it went fast. We had our neighbors to help and I'm so glad we did it. Thankful to you for being here as our instructor, and I just loved it.
Well, I have to ditto what Monica said, and just had a great time. The fellowship with the neighbors and the friends that came over. You, Katie, coming here all this way from Kentucky to help us out and to guide us, and everything just went so much smoother than we anticipated, and we're thankful for that and thankful for you.
Yes.
So
It's definitely been a huge blessing to be out here. It is beautiful out here. This is hubby and I's first choice when we decided we wanted to move, but we ended up going with Kentucky, and we're so certainly happy we went with Kentucky. But This is definitely beautiful out here. I feel like I'm in Kentucky over here in Tennessee. This part is gorgeous. But all right, friends, I'm heading back home. I got a 4.5 hour drive, and I'm gonna take a nice scenic route back home so I can just enjoy it. So thanks for stopping by with us. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.